We're going head-to-head with two heavyweights in the cordless vacuum arena, the HONITURE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and the BUTURE Cordless Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive into the specifications of each to see how they stack up. Starting with the HONITURE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This sleek machine boasts a powerful 220-watt motor that delivers impressive suction strength. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 40 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge, making it ideal for larger homes. Now, onto the BUTURE Cordless Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. With its 200-watt motor, this vacuum provides robust suction power, tackling dirt and debris with ease. Its innovative battery management system ensures consistent performance throughout the cleaning process, offering up to 35 minutes of runtime. In terms of design, both vacuums feature a lightweight and ergonomic build, making them easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The HONITURE vacuum comes with a convenient LED display, allowing you to monitor battery life and performance in real time, while the BUTURE vacuum offers a one-click dustbin release for effortless emptying. When it comes to accessories, both models come with a variety of attachments to tackle different surfaces and cleaning tasks. The HONITURE vacuum includes a crevice tool, dusting brush, and motorized floor brush, while the BUTURE vacuum offers a combination tool, crevice tool, and mini motorized brush for versatile cleaning options. So which vacuum reigns supreme? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific cleaning needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize suction power, battery life, or convenience features, both the HONITURE and BUTURE cordless vacuum cleaners deliver top-notch performance. Thanks for tuning into our comparison. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to learn more about these fantastic vacuums. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know which vacuum cleaner you choose for your home. Until next time, happy cleaning.